In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add next and previous buttons in WordPress in just 5 minutes. Adding these navigation buttons can significantly improve the user experience on your WordPress site by making it easier for readers to navigate through your content. Whether you're running a blog or an online magazine, these steps will guide you through the process with ease. First, navigate over to wordpress.com. This is your starting point, so be sure to have your login credentials ready. Once there, click on the Login button, which will guide you to the login page. If you're like many users today, you might choose the efficient Continue with Google option for a faster login experience. This will require you to select which Google account you'd like to use, so make sure to pick the one linked to your WordPress site. After successfully logging in, direct your attention to the right panel of your dashboard. Here you'll see a variety of options. Click on Edit Site under the Quick Links. This will open your site editor where all the magic happens. Your website's visual elements and functionalities are crafted here, making this a crucial step. Now with your site open, look towards the top left corner. You'll see the Add button. Clicking it is like opening a toolbox of various elements you can incorporate into your website. This is where we'll enhance your site's navigation. Next, in the search bar or field that appears, type in Next. This simplifies the task and presents options related to your search. You should see the option for Next Post. By selecting this, you're creating a navigational button that will guide visitors to the subsequent post on your website. It's important for maintaining a smooth reading flow for users who are enjoying your content. Following a similar procedure, you'll want to create the counterpart to the Next button. Again, click back into the search bar and type Previous. This time, select the Previous Post option. This button is essential as it allows users to easily navigate to earlier posts, ensuring that they can revisit content they've read or discover something they might have missed. Once these buttons are in place and you're satisfied with their positioning and functionality, your job is nearly done. Be sure to save your changes and perhaps preview your site to ensure everything looks and works as expected. Adding these simple yet effective navigational tools can greatly enhance your viewers' experience, making your site more user-friendly and accessible. And there you have it. With just a few clicks, you've successfully added next and previous buttons to your WordPress site, all in a matter of minutes. Thank you for following along and happy blogging.